Apple's 20th anniversary iPhone was expected to be one of the biggest design changes in the company's history. The device, often called the iPhone 20, was rumored to feature an almost completely glass design with no visible display cutouts. But now, reports suggest that this ambitious project may have run into serious problems. The biggest question is whether Apple has canceled the design completely or simply delayed some of its most advanced features. Reports about the iPhone 20 are currently conflicting. Jefferies analyst Edison Lee has claimed that Apple abandoned the project because manufacturing yields were too low. In simple terms, Apple may have found that producing the phone in large numbers was too difficult and expensive. However, other supply chain reports suggest that preparations for production were already underway. This could mean Apple has not completely canceled the project and may instead be delaying certain features. The rumored design itself explains why Apple could be facing these problems. The iPhone 20 was expected to use a seamless all-glass body with quad-curved edges. The front of the phone would have looked very different from current iPhones because Apple was reportedly working on under-display Face ID. If successful, this technology could remove the need for a notch or a visible camera cutout. The result would be a much cleaner screen with almost nothing interrupting the display. But making an all-glass phone strong enough for everyday use is extremely difficult. Glass can be fragile, and adding curved edges makes the engineering even more complicated. Apple would need to make the device look beautiful, while also making sure it could survive normal drops, pressure, and daily use. The display technology itself could also be a problem. Under-display Face ID may not be ready for commercial use until at least 2027, according to the information provided. If Apple cannot make the technology reliable enough, the company may have to delay the entire design or change the phone before launch. The iPhone 20 was also expected to include several other major upgrades. One rumored feature was a new generation of display technology from Samsung, offering a thinner, brighter, and more energy-efficient screen. Apple was also reportedly considering stacked image sensors that could provide up to 20 stops of dynamic range, potentially creating a major improvement in photography and video. Another interesting idea was solid-state haptic buttons. Instead of traditional physical buttons, these could provide tactile feedback even when the phone is powered off. This could improve durability and water resistance. On the performance side, Apple was reportedly planning to use a second-generation 2nm A21 chip. This processor could deliver higher performance while using less power. It was also expected to work with high-bandwidth memory, or HBM, which could improve data processing and AI performance. The battery could have been just as interesting. Apple was rumored to be exploring a pure silicon battery that could offer higher energy density and potentially longer battery life. But putting all of these technologies into one smartphone would be a huge challenge. And then there is the price. The iPhone 20 was rumored to cost around $2,000, making it one of Apple's most expensive non-foldable iPhones. Apple was also reportedly considering extending the all-glass design to Pro and Pro Max models. At that price, Apple would need to deliver something truly special. If important features were delayed or removed, customers might question whether the phone was worth the premium. Other rumored features, including reverse wireless charging and under-display audio, also remain uncertain. Apple's own modem development could create another problem if its technology is not ready in time, forcing Apple to continue using Qualcomm modems. So, has Apple really killed its ambitious iPhone 20 design? Right now, there is no clear answer. Some reports suggest the project has been abandoned, while others indicate that Apple may simply be delaying specific technologies. What is clear is that creating a truly seamless all-glass iPhone is much harder than it sounds. Apple may have the resources to attempt something this ambitious, but turning the concept into a reliable product that can be mass-produced is another challenge entirely. If Apple does delay the design, it may not be the end of the idea. The company could use what it has learned to develop a more practical version later. For now, the iPhone 20 remains surrounded by uncertainty. Apple's biggest challenge may not be imagining the future, but finding a way to manufacture that future reliably and at a price customers are willing to pay.